The holidays are here, and let's be honest, sometimes the gift wrapping is just as exciting as the gift inside. Imagine handing over a package so beautiful, so magical, that your friends and family hesitate to even open it. Today, I'll show you 10 brilliant gift wrapping tricks that will take your presents from ordinary to extraordinary. And trust me, you'll never look at wrapping paper the same way again. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, hit subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss more creative hacks and holiday magic. 1. The diagonal wrap. Ever struggled with wrapping paper that seems too small? Here's the secret. The diagonal wrapping method. Instead of placing the gift in the center, place it at a 45-degree angle. Suddenly, that too small sheet magically covers the entire box. Perfect for when you've miscalculated the paper size. 2. The Japanese cloth wrap. Furoshiki style. Skip paper altogether and use fabric. Not only is it eco-friendly, but it looks incredibly elegant. Tie the fabric corners into neat knots on top, and voila, you've wrapped a gift and given a reusable scarf or cloth. 3. The candy roll hack. Cylindrical gifts are notoriously tricky. Instead of fighting with paper, turn them into a candy roll. Wrap the item in paper, then twist and tie the ends with ribbon. Suddenly, your gift looks like a giant piece of candy. Fun, festive, and stress-free. 4. The peekaboo window. Want to tease the gift inside? Cut a small square in the wrapping paper and cover it with clear plastic or tissue paper. It creates a peekaboo effect that builds anticipation. Just imagine the excitement of seeing a sneak peek of what's inside. 5. The layered ribbon magic. Instead of one ribbon, layer 2 or even 3 ribbons of different textures and colors. A satin ribbon paired with twine or velvet creates a luxe, high-end look. It's simple, but the effect is absolutely magical. 6. The brown paper chic. Plain brown paper might sound boring, but with the right touch, it becomes rustic elegance. Add pine sprigs, cinnamon sticks, or dried orange slices for a natural, cozy vibe that smells as good as it looks. It's budget-friendly, yet magazine-worthy. 7. The no-tape wrap. Yes, you can wrap gifts without tape. By folding and tucking the paper in just the right way, you create a seamless origami-style package. Not only does it look sleek, but it's also perfect for those moments when the tape mysteriously disappears. 8. The pop-out bow. Forget store-bought bows. Take a strip of paper, fold it accordion style, and pinch the center. Fan out the sides, and suddenly you have a 3D bow made from the same wrapping paper. Matching and magical. 9. The photo tag hack. Instead of using a paper tag, print out a small photo of you with the gift recipient. Attach it with a clip or ribbon. Not only does it make the gift more personal, but it also becomes a keepsake they'll cherish long after the wrapping is gone. 10. The confetti surprise. Last but not least, the confetti layer. Wrap the gift normally, but before sealing the top, sprinkle in a little confetti, glitter, or tissue paper cutouts. When they unwrap it, it's like opening a present and having a mini celebration at the same time. And now, you have 10 brilliant gift wrapping tricks that will make your presents look so magical, people might not want to open them. Whether you use fabric for elegance, ribbons for drama, or confetti for fun, these hacks will turn you into the ultimate holiday gift wrapping pro. If you enjoyed these ideas, make sure to like this video, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the bell for more creative hacks and festive tips. Please let me know in the comments, which wrapping hack will you try first? And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community. Thanks for watching, and happy wrapping, everyone!